Hi everybody, it's Kathy from Create with Kate 56. I hope you're all doing well. Doing okay here. This is a little late. Lost my sister on Tuesday, so this was supposed to be done Monday. She took very ill on Monday, so I'm getting to it now. I know she would want me to get on with it. So what I've got here is called Spring Birds, and this is a design team project for Fifi the Papercrafter. This is her first digital kit, and I'd say she did a very, very good job with this. It is a soft cover. It's 9 by 6, and it's got about a 2-inch spine. I did elastics for the signatures. I have some mats on here. This is an image from one of the pages in the kit, and then I've just got a little doily up here at the top. I did a Tim Holtz hitch fastener here and a ribbon for the closure. Just very nice. I used some really nice upholstery fabric that I had, and I thought that went pretty well with the colors in the kit itself. So let's see, what else do I need to tell you? I guess I got the upholstery fabric on the outside. On the inside I have canvas, and I do have some batting on the in between, and there's a file folder in the middle. So I got file folder, batting, and then the upholstery fabric, and then on the inside is just the canvas is glued down to the file folder itself. So she's got 3 signatures, and that means 114 pages front and back on each side. And let's go ahead and get started. On the inside here, I made a pocket from some corrugated cardboard that was shaped like this. I think it was a box for jars or something, but I just added an image from the kit. I got some of Lisa McCarthy's beautiful dyed wax paper. Yes, this is the first time I've gotten into it. I've been hoarding it away. These are from bingo cards that are included in the kit, and then of course the bird. Here I've just got a little fold out, and this was, I saw on Kerr's channel, kind of a flippy fold out, so the pages are, I can get a hold of them, so they go back and forth, except they're not folded back and forth like they should be. And then I've got 2 little pockets here, and I've got a couple of journaling cards from the kit, and they're backed, and I put a little stencil on the back of those. So how this really should go is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in, up, down, and around. So that's what I've got in here. This is first signature here. I've got some little green ribbon here for the tabs, and I did some charms added to them, and some little silvery crystal beads that I've added to give a little bit more sparkle. I've done some stenciling, and these pages are so pretty. I really like this kit. I printed the papers first, and then I did my tea bag tapping to color the back side of the pages. Here I've got a little tuck with some birds in there, just a little die cut there, and then if you pull this out, you got a little flip out like that. And this is a tutorial I saw from Eva at Bohemian Crafting. She does just the most amazing things. So yeah, that's where you'll find that. And some more stenciling. These are made out of paint chips from Lowe's. I think were painting almost our whole house is getting painted one way or another right now. So I brought home some paint chips trying to figure out what I wanted to do, and I thought, oh, I could use those too. So I did. I made little bird houses and put them on a little skinny wooden craft stick. I wrapped them, well, I wrapped each one with a different material, but this one is wrapped with some jute string. And then I made these little burlap flower pots for them to sit in. I thought those were cute. Got a little pocket from the kit here and a tag that I made, just a little collage on there. This is pages from a bird book here, and I've tried to keep as much of it as possible so you can actually read about them. Here is the center of our signature. Where's that? Oh, I must have missed one. There's a charm that gets tied to here. Huh, let's find it. Here I've got another pocket from the kit, and I have a specimen of a feather that I made. And I got a little charm on a ball pin there as well. Look at the texture on these pages. It's just gorgeous. I love them. A little bit more stenciling. Here I've just got a little envelope flip, and inside I've got, this is a part of one of the pages in the kit. I just made a tag and tucked in there. Here I've just got a little pocket and one of the journaling cards that come with the kit. More stenciling. This is one of the bingo cards that come. I just put I did a wooden number and used black embossing powder on it to kind of make it stand out a little bit. Pocket from the kit. Here's the second signature, and again I got another little charm, and that one has a peacock on it with the beads. Again, more stamping. Here I've got, this is a closure that Kerr did as well, but I've got a little pocket here. Just turn that over, and inside I've got a journaling card. A little bit of collage on the front. This is some scrapbook paper that I had, that I made this envelope out of. It just flips up there to hold it shut. A little bit of collage, a little bit of stamping. Here's another bingo card, packet from the kit. Oops, one at a time, girl, one at a time. A little bit more stamping, another image from the kit. Here's another envelope flip up, but I did this one to flip up instead of over. And another part of a page from the kit that I did there. A little bit of lace on the bottom. More stamping, more of these pretty pages. Here I have a specimen with feathers in it as well. And this is a pocket from the kit. It's got a little charm, and I just did a little strip of paper there, a little label there, and a label there to kind of decorate that up. Here we got more from the bird book. Here is this little birdhouse I did. I used some, I can't think what it was. It was some kind of cording that I had anyway, and it was variegated in color. So I used that for that stick, and it's got a nice little pot. Here is another pocket and journaling card. So a little button on the corner. Some more stamping. Another pocket from the kit. Got a tag in there that I did. And there's a place for journaling on the back. Such a beautiful page. Love that. Here I've got a little pocket made from the kit and just a journaling card in there. More of these really pretty textured images here. More pretty birds, more stamping. Got a pocket here with a card from the kit. And I just put a little label on the front. They're so pretty. There's not much you need to do there. Got a little bit more stamping here. Here I've got a button and string closure on this little envelope I did here. Got another image in there. And come on, get in there. There we go. That just tucks in there. Got just some negatives from when I punched out my little buttons up here. Put that on there. And this is just some pieces of corrugated cardboard as well that I used for the closure. Got another bingo card here with a pocket, number 7. Got another little pocket here. This was a page from the kit that I just made into a pocket, and I did put some of those. It's Tim Holtz ephemera that those flowers are, and in this I just add a little button on the top. I backed these with pattern paper, and I really like the way they turned out, so pretty happy with those. By the way, I used a glue stick, and what I used is Avery permanent glue stick, and I want to tell you that's the best glue stick I've come across yet. So you might want to give those a try. I got them on Amazon. Got some more from the bird book here. Here's our last little birdhouse. I've just got some brown string wrapped around this one. Another one of those little holdy downies from Kerr. This is just a little flip, and I've got a journaling card in this little pocket here, and there's a place to journal inside as well. And this is a piece of Tim Holtz scrapbook paper right there. Got my last specimen card with a feather, and it just slips in that pocket. I just put a little label on there. Another flip envelope. This one goes this way, and this has this beautiful image on the tag. On here, this is a napkin decoupage on that envelope, and I just put a piece of blue paper and a number 8 that I die cut. Have a little pocket here with from the kit. Put one of the mushrooms from Tim Holtz on there too. This is the tag is just scrap paper that I had, and this is from the Tim Holtz kit, and then a little number label. Got lined paper backing it, and a little ribbon on top. Here I've got a pocket from the kit, just put a little label there. I got a bingo card there, and then just another journaling card that I made here. And that is the last page. Here's my library card. Just did a little collage on the front of that, and I finished it on the 27th. And that is that. I want to thank everybody for stopping by today, and if you're new to my channel, I'd really love it if you would subscribe if you like what you've seen here. I do put a lot of description, or a lot of information down in the description box, so I encourage you to go down and read that and give you information on some of the things that I've used in here. Also, this journal is for sale. There's information about purchasing it in the description box below as well. And yeah, on to the next. So everybody take care. Thanks for stopping by. See you next time.